Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Let's Camp Folding Camping Chair, a versatile and durable outdoor companion designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. This oversized fishing chair boasts a strong, powder-coated tubular steel frame that can support up to 200 kilograms, ensuring long-lasting durability and rust resistance. The wide seat is padded with thickened 600 by 300D Oxford fabric, providing extra comfort, while the ergonomically padded back and armrests make it perfect for extended use. Featuring a mesh drink holder, 2 storage bags, and a cooler bag, this chair offers ample space for your essentials like water cups, mobile phones, and magazines. Its foldable design allows for quick setup and compact storage, measuring just 23 by 98 centimeters when folded and weighing only 6 kilograms, making it easy to carry on your outdoor adventures. With assembly dimensions of 100 by 64 by 100 centimeters, this XXL camping chair is ideal for camping, fishing, picnics, hiking, and more, bringing luxurious comfort to any outdoor setting. Experience the perfect blend of stability and comfort with the Let's Camp Folding Camping Chair, your go-to choice for all outdoor activities. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.